Good morning, good morning. I just finished up a skincare video and now I'm going into a makeup look using this blue eyeliner that I put on my Instagram a while back. I just finished up my brows and primed my eyelids, and I'm gonna go in with some brown shadow. I'm actually gonna go in with this Give Me Sun MAC Skin Finish? Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm just taking a 224 brush from MAC and buffing that in my crease. I'm gonna go for, I hate when that does that. We're gonna go for really bronzy look today. And I think I'm gonna go for that matte eye again. I really liked that. At the end of the day, I was like looking at my eyes and I was like, wow, that actually turned out really pretty. Why don't I do more matte looks? So we're gonna do another one. Now I'm just going in with another like lighter skin tone shade, and I'm just gonna buff that out through the rest of my eye. Sorry, I hate that that light does that. I don't know why. Does anybody know why it does that? It's like every time I move, I'm literally doing my makeup in my phone right now. There you go. So really just quick, easy. The hard part of this is going to be the lower lash line with the blues, not this, not the lid. So now I'm going in with a 217 brush from MAC, and I'm going in with Gingerbread from Colored Rain, and I'm just deepening up that outer corner crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. This one's from Morphe. I really have been liking this brush. I use it every time I need a flat brush. I don't even know if I have another one. This is the Peaches and Cream palette, and I'm going in to Peaches and Cream. Or this is the Sweet Peach. Yeah, Sweet Peach palette. I'm going into Peaches and Cream, just like I did last time. So easy. And I'm really super excited because if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted the other day that I just got in this MAC 263 brush, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting this brush for a while, but I was just having a hard time like justifying $20. Oh my gosh, it's $20 for like slant eyebrow slash eye gel liner, oh my gosh, I can't talk, brush. And I was like, no, Devin, you don't need to spend that kind of money on that, like $20, like for this, like no. And I'm like, you know what, I'm doing it. It was my birthday, it was Christmas, I'm doing it. And it just makes it so easy. I don't know why. It just, oh my gosh, it just makes it so easy. It like, I feel like you can either stamp it on really easily or glide it on. Okay, now that I'm done with the liner, I'm going into this Lancome little beauty box kit, and then I'm just gonna go in with a little brow highlight. Nothing crazy. Really subtle. Today's gonna be like a really simple look, but with the blue eyeliner underneath. So I'm actually gonna go in with the True Match Lumi Cushion Foundation. It's W4. This is like my pale shade from L'Oreal. And I'm going in with my Y6 brush, which I have been using every day over my Beauty Blender, which says a lot. I feel like this foundation is like a Your Skin but better type foundation. It actually reminds me a lot of the Giorgio Armani, but in a cushion. Now I'm gonna kind of keep with the very fresh, dewy look, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. sand. Lately, this guy has kind of like been burning, which it didn't always do that, but I've heard complaints from people. And the more I wear it, every time it burns. I might have to nix that one. Okay, now that the concealer's blended, I'm going in with a little bit of the Cafe. Again, in the, what's it called? The Maybelline Fit Me. I haven't used this in a minute, and it is going to be very dark. So we might have to be blending till we die. I just like it so much more as a contour shade and like formula, because it blends out so nice and like sheer where it's not like crazy. But for concealer, I just don't know if it's like winning me over. I think it's too, like my eyes are too sensitive for it. Like, cause the rest of my face doesn't burn, but every time I put it underneath my eyes, as of lately, it's been burning. Okay, now that our face, I feel like this light is making my face look a lot more oily than it is, because it's not this like greasy looking in person. I think everything, because my skin is so dewy, it's like reflecting, the lights are reflecting off my face. Let me get a setting powder. I'm gonna go with the Derma Blend and Laura Mercier. I would love to be one of those girls that just has to set like their under eyes and the rest of their face just like kind of stays like perfectly glowy and dewy all day, but my face is not like that, so I have to go in with a setting powder and set my whole face. Okay, don't know where I left off, but just got off the phone and sorry about that. I was doing the Derma Blend powder, but I just wanted a tad bit more coverage. I'm really trying, I think that's what I was saying actually. I'm really trying to go in and like be more natural, but I gotta go in with a little more. I'm going in with the Gasper Cruz setting powder in Nude Beige. And I promise you my skin is gonna be oily in a few hours. Just wait. Okay, now what are we doing? I'm gonna go back in with my Physicians Formula bronzer for like the more cool tone bronzer. And then I'm gonna go in with a little Lancome bronzer to kind of warm up the rest of my face. This is in Solaire that I'm about to use. Okay, now for the Lancome bronzer. This is definitely more warm tone and it does have a little shimmer, so I'm going in lighter with this one because I don't want shimmer and like all over my face and I don't want to look super orange, but I do want to warm me up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Estee Lauder. I don't even know what this was, honestly. It's like I don't know if anybody knows what that is. It's just a pure color in the Sculpting Blush, and it's just a little group of 4, and as a little bronzer, highlighter, and I'm just using 2 different blushes right now and kind of mixing them back and forth, just tapping on my skin. Y'all, this brush is from e.l.f. I saw it today. I have like a whole bunch of brushes that I don't really use, but I have right in front of me, just in case I'm ever feeling like a little like, ooh, let's try it out. And today I brought these 2 out and I was like, why don't I use these? This one's huge and so soft. I don't know where this is from. It doesn't have anything on it. Maybe Lancome? I don't know. But the other one's from e.l.f. and I was like, why don't I use that? I don't know why companies do that. That's so inconvenient, but I do really like this highlighter shade. But honestly, it's just not even worth it because you can barely get it out. Let's see, what other highlighter shade can we use? Let me set my face a little bit. I'm gonna go into this Milani Make It Last. It has a funky applicator. I don't know if I just got a weird one or not. I do like the way that smells. Don't really know if it works, but it does kind of settle in the skin. I don't really know if it like keeps my makeup on longer or not, but I'll try it. I'm gonna go in with this another City Color. It's a City Color highlight trio, and I got it out of my Ipsy bag. It's a mess. I accidentally had another shimmer pigment that broke, and I put it in there. It's actually kind of, it doesn't look like that on camera, but it's kind of, yeah, no, it's ashy as heck. Whew. I don't think that's my shade. It doesn't look like that on camera, but on the mirror, it literally just looks like it's like, I need to give that away. It looks like white powder on me. Like it doesn't look like my shade, and so I'm just looking really baby powdery with a hint of shimmer. We're gonna go in with a little Master Chrome. Okay, sometimes I forget that I'm filming, and I'll like just start talking to myself, and then I'm like, Devin, you're on camera. Get it together. I'm just kidding. Okay, finally, what we've all been waiting for. How do I do this? I'm gonna go in, this is a limited edition French Viridian waterproof liner from Lancome, so you can't get this exact one, but they do have one that is very similar, so that's what I've been recommending to people, because if you don't have this, then I'm not gonna tell you the name, and you'd be like, oh, let's go out and get it, and then you can't get it. So I just applied that, and I'm gonna go in with the end and just kind of smudge it out. Okay guys, I went upstairs, got some lashes, just finished applying that, and so in order to get like this not to look so just like you just put blue liner on, I go in with a few different blues and just different tones to kind of like blend it all together and make it not look weird. So I'm gonna go in first with a little baby pencil brush like that, and I'm going in with a navy blue shadow right there, probably from Merle Norman, honestly. I don't know. It's my mom's, and I stole it out of her kit, so, but I love this blue. So I just put it right under there. You will get fallout, or I always do at least. So while I'm just staring at this, I am gonna go in and do my waterline because it's really bothering me that my waterline is not filled in. Once all that is filled in, my nose keeps running, guys, I'm sorry. Breathe in. Now I'm gonna go in with this more like, it's like a turquoisey teal, dark turquoise, I don't know. It just looks like a mermaid to me color. And I'm gonna go in and blend that out. And honestly, while you're doing this, I just walked upstairs and I was complaining about everything to my dad, like with this look, and I'm like, it looks so weird until you're done, and then you're like, oh, that's cool. But like right now, I'm like, it looks stupid. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I had to stop filming for a second. My eye has just been bothering me all morning, and when I just was like going in with that second blue, my eye was just like watering uncontrollably, so I was like, okay, I gotta take a breather. I'm going in back with the 217 brush, and I'm just gonna go in, I don't know what color this is, sugar, macchiato, and I'm just gonna deepen up this a little bit more so it's not like so extreme on the bottom and then nothing on top. Like, I want it to be natural, but I also want it to be obvious that I have shadow there too, you know? So I am done with that. My eyes driving me insane. I'm gonna put on some mascara and then I'm gonna put on my lashes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on and the mascara, and both of those really helped, but lastly I'm going to put on my lips and that will help even more. I just used Strip Down from MAC, one of my favorite nude liners. And now I'm going in with Julep Almond Nude Cream. Now I'm going in with Embrace from The Perfect Face. And there we go. I still feel like, I don't know, I feel like the lighting's just weird or something. I might do a close-up so you guys can see everything. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Please excuse my hair. I literally loaded it down with some argan oil and just different hair oils because it's just feeling super dead right now because of the weather. My skin is soaking up everything that I'm putting on it, and so is my hair, so please excuse it. I'm wearing a hat tonight, don't worry, I'm not going out in public like this. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this look. It was really easy, a lot easier than I think it would look. It just kind of takes a little bit to kind of go in with all the different colors on the lower lash line and just really blend all that out to make it look seamless and blended. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything, just leave it in the comments below. I should be coming out with the pageant, like full glam, probably next week, because I actually do a pageant next weekend in Charlotte, so maybe I'll vlog some of that. That could be fun. Yeah, that would be cool. So I will do the pageant look next week in honor of the pageant next weekend, and I will see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks. Bye guys.